1, 2, 3. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing all right and taking care of yourselves. This is day 12 of Tunes and Chats with Brandon. Today we've got a great tune called Cawdor Fair, followed by Bird's Nest. They're both Scottish tunes, and I got them both from the Violin Music of Cape Breton book by David Greenberg, published jointly with Kate Dunley. I'm going to go ahead and read you some of the details from the Kate Dunley and David Greenberg collection here. This strathspey appears in the Athol and Inverness collections as Cawdor Fair. It's also in Kerr's first edition, which has it in E Dorian and G as a Highland Schottish. It's also called the Cock of Bendy and Middletons. So it has several different names, including in Ross's collection of pipe music, which is also called Cockabendy. So it's called Cawdor Fair in some collections, it's called Cockabendy in others. Simon Fraser, in his collection of 1815, wrote that he obtained the tune called in Gaelic, Freav as Criv Tai Halativ, or the Hawthorn Tree of Cawdor, from a century-old manuscript of a Mr. Campbell of Budget probably, a cadet of the family of Lord Cawdor. Fraser believed the tune most likely to have been composed by a Campbell for the annual Cawdor Fair. Like a lot of these old tunes, there are words written to them. This particular porcht is called Shutiv Yilin Gaviv Porcht. Go on, lads, and give me a tune. That's another Gaelic title for the Cawdor Fair. It's based on the words which appear in Eilean Fruich, Lewis Gaelic Songs and Melodies, 1938 and 1982. Now, the version of Bird's Nest that I play is by Angus Chisholm, and according to him, he learned it from his mother's Gaelic singing. So one of the fun things about that second tune is that it has what are called wild notes in it. Angus Chisholm and a lot of Cape Breton fiddlers add these wild notes to spice up their tunes. So the B part of that particular tune goes like this. That fourth finger is not in the mode at all, but it really kind of changes things up. So up to tempo, it sounds like this. Thanks for watching Tunes and Chats with Brandon. If you like what you saw, click the subscribe button below.